Afternoon, this is Teresa Keck with the National Weather Service office in North Platte, Nebraska. This is our update to the winter storm briefing. Our next update will be Thursday morning around 9 a.m. Central Standard Time. As for the headlines, not much has changed out here across western and north central Nebraska. We have the winter storm warning across much of our forecast area, in fact for all of it, except for Sheridan County where a winter weather advisory remains in effect. Then as far as how the system's continuing to evolve out onto the plains, this is the forecast for this evening around 6 p.m. It shows a good fetch of moisture still coming northward across the plains, moderate snow potential across western Kansas, and then the system still well to our southwest. Overnight the system's going to begin slowly lifting northeastward, light snow pretty much possibly moderate into southwestern Nebraska, and by Thursday morning the system's still to our south, but again we're on the side where we're going to continue to see light snow falling as the surface low begins to lift northeastward. On Thursday, moderate to potentially heavy snowfall at times will be seen across much of our eastern forecast area, anywhere from about Imperial up through Ainsworth. So again, while it's a little bit on the lesser amounts of snowfall across our far northwest, we're still looking at heavy snowfall amounts, or significant snowfall amounts for that matter, across our southeastern portions of our forecast area. Then going into Friday, the system lifts off northeastward, so we're going to get a break Friday into Saturday. However, as we move forward here, we're going to see the next system coming in from the northwest, and that's going to bring another chance of snow at the beginning of next week. Here are the current highlights to what we're expecting and impacts in the next 24 to 36 hours. So snow 10 to 14 inches. You're looking at Hayes, Frontier, portions of Lincoln and Custer counties. That's tonight through Thursday night. Impacts are going to be hazardous travel. Roads conditions should be deteriorating as we move into Thursday. Snow and blowing snow is possible and reduced visibilities at times. And then for the rest of the county warning area, anywhere from 5 to 10 inches of snow. That's going to run from tonight through Thursday night as well. The hazardous travel definitely is an impact. And then wind for tonight, east 15 to 25 miles per hour. That's widespread throughout the forecast area, and that's going to cause some blowing snow and reduced visibility. And then on Thursday, winds are going to come around to the northeast, decrease a little bit, 10 to 20 miles per hour. And there may still be some blowing snow and reduced visibilities with the potential for moderate to heavy snowfall at that time. Then as far as the storm total snowfall forecasted, here is our latest graphic for western and north central Nebraska. You'll note the winter down here is in portions of much of Frontier County. 13 to 14 inches of snow is currently forecasted. 12 inches or around a foot anywhere from eastern Hayes County, southeastern Lincoln, across extreme southeastern Custer County. And then as you work your way back further north and west across the Sandhills, amounts taper off with the 6-inch line anywhere from about Chapel through Author up through Valentine at this point. Again, these numbers can still be adjusted as we move forward. This is a slow moving event. If you are going to be out on the road or need to get out and travel, definitely check the roads. Call 511 or see the Nebraska's roads webpage at 511.nebraska.gov online. Then one final look at the highlights. Again, the snow amounts anywhere from 5 to 10 inches across our northwest, across the extreme portions of eastern Hayes, Lincoln, and Custer County, and much of Frontier County, up to 14 inches of snowfall there. And this is going to run through Thursday night. Definitely impacts or hazardous travel. Roads should be deteriorating down, so definitely check the roads before heading out. And then for the winds are going to go from the east around to the northeast. On Thursday, this is going to have some blowing snow, potential for reduced visibilities, and then moderate to heavy snowfall at times. And once the winds increase around to the northeast, you're talking about wind chills dropping at or below 0. So if you're going to be heading out, definitely bundle up and be prepared for winter weather. Well, that concludes our winter storm briefing for this time frame. Our next update will be tomorrow morning, Thursday, around 9 a.m. Central Standard Time. Again, this is Teresa Keck with the National Weather Service office in North Platte. Thank you for listening.